Hi all, I welcome you all to the new video today. So very good afternoon to all. This is Michael Jones, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So in today's lecture, we will discuss the fundamental components of a robot. Understanding robot components is essential because every robot, regardless of its size or application, is built using a combination of mechanical, electrical, and software elements. So before moving to today's topic, discuss we will just have a very brief go through about previous. So in the previous lecture, we discussed about how the basic of robots, what are robots, where we are using robots, and what are the laws, why do we need laws for a robot, and who invented those laws. So we saw all those concepts. So now we will use a humanoid robot as an example to understand the components and how they work together to perform intelligent tasks. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify major parts of a robot and understand their functions in a robotic system. So in this slide, it shows now it is a humanoid robot which is widely used in robotics education and research. A humanoid robot is designed to resemble human body structure with the head, arms, torso, and legs. So now is a robot that can walk, recognize voices, detects objects, communicates with the humans, and performs various programmed tasks. So just like a human body has different organs working together, the robot also consists of several interconnected components. For example, sensors act like human senses, actuators functions like the muscles, the controllers act like a brain, software that integrates provides intelligence and decision-making capability. When a person sees an object, the eyes capture the information, the brain processes it, and the muscles perform these actions. Similarly, for a robot, it collects information through the sensors, processes it through the controllers, and executes the actuation through the actuators. So the Now robot is therefore an excellent example that can be used for understanding the basic architecture of modern robotic systems. So now let us examine the six major components of a robot. So manipulator, end effector, actuators, sensors, controllers, and softwares. So these are the six major components. So in that manipulator is a mechanical arm or a structure of a robot. It provides movement and positioning capabilities. In industrial robots, the manipulator consists of links, joints, and it allows the robot to reach to different locations within its workspace. So I hope we know the workspace. What is a workspace? A workspace is that it with the area or the volume surrounding which the robot can move its end effect. So in industrial robots, the manipulator consists of links, joints, and to reach different locations. So the next is an end effector. End effector is attached to the end of the manipulator and it interacts directly with the environment. Some examples like grippers used to pick and place an object, welding tools to make a welding, spray painting, surgical instruments, all these are end effectors that define the specific task that a robot can perform. Actuators are the components responsible for generating motion. So they convert electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic energy into mechanical movement. So it includes electric motors, servo motors, hydraulic and pneumatic cylinders. So without these actuators, robots would not be able to perform, move any physical action. Then sensors, as previously informed, so sensors have helped the robots to perceive the environment. Common sensors include proximity sensors, vision cameras, temperature sensors, force sensors, ultrasonic sensors. Sensors like that continuously collect information and send it to the controller for analysis. They function similarly to a human eyes, ears, and touch receptors. Controller is often referred to the brain of a robot. It receives information from sensors, processes the data, makes decisions, and sends commands to the actuators. Modern robot controllers may use microcontrollers, embedded systems, or industrial computers to perform these tasks. Finally, it is the software. So, software provides the intelligence required for the robot's operation. It contains algorithms, programs, and instructions that define how the robot has to behave. Software enables functions such as path planning, motion control, object recognition, artificial intelligence, human robot interaction. So without a software, robot would simply be a mechanical structure without intelligence. So to summarize it, every robotic system consists of 6 essential components, so as briefed, to work effectively. So in the next lecture, we will continue to explore each component in. Thank you.